Hi, hello everyone. This is my quick review of Boat AirDops 402 truly wireless earphones. These are Bluetooth 5.0 earphones that I recently bought from Flipkart for the price of 999 in India. So these are, as I mentioned, these are truly wireless earphones with USB Type-C charging, and they offer up to 4 hours of usage on a single charge and up to 16 hours of usage using the charging case that is provided. And these are IPX4 rated for water resistance and sweat resistance. And let's see what you get inside the box. So these are all the things that you get in here, and as you can see, you get the charging case with the earphones themselves. You get the extra earplugs. You will get the 1 year the product catalog and the product manual itself. You also get the charging cable, but I tried using that thing, but it got stuck to my charging USB Type-C port, and it was so horrible that I literally had to use pliers to get it out. So after I was able to remove it, I literally threw it out. It was so horrible. So if you have already have a USB Type-C cable lying around, I would recommend you using that instead of this. There is nothing wrong with the port itself. It's just that the cable they provided is really horrible. So that is something I believe you should have as a backup. Now coming to the earphones themselves. As you can see, you get the charging case, and it is a really smooth mechanism for opening and closing the earphones. And since it's magnetic, it doesn't fall down. Has a charging port and a power indicator here. Build wise, it's decent. I believe it's not too heavy. I have seen some reviews that mention that it's too big compared to others, but I found it decent compared to size. And the earphones themselves are quite small footprint, so that is also nice. And as you can see, they have touch controls, so that is also a nice thing to have. If you have button controls, then you have to constantly press it, and if you're using it in your ears, then that kind of hurts while you are using it directly on the ears themselves. Weight wise also they are quite light, I believe, so I don't think prolonged usage would be a big issue. And the body themselves, even though it seems like it's plastic, it's quite well made plastic. It's not like the Chinese one that you get, so that's quite nice. And you can use both this earphones in mono mode also, so if you want you can use just one of them, so that is also a good thing to have. I believe most of the Bluetooth headphones do that. And on the cheaper Bluetooth earphones, what I have noticed that when you actually have connected the Bluetooth earphones, and if you put it inside the earphone, turning them off, they sometimes stay on, which is not in this earphones case. Also good to have. Apart from that, the only thing I believe I was concerned about is the opening and closing mechanism. Even though it's smooth area, I believe it's a bit delicate, so if you are going to use it, I recommend it using tea. So that is that. And I tried using these for a few almost an hour. So I mostly use it for listening to music and watching some YouTube videos. So I didn't find any big issues there. There was some minor cracking noise, if you raise the volume too much, but I won't recommend you doing that because these are quite loud earphones. You don't have to go to the higher volumes. And the bass wise, it was above average. Boat is always known for its good quality bass, so that is to be expected. And the sound quality also, reproduction was also quite good, and it did not feel like any sub 1000 rupees headphone to me. And sound quality wise, it was really good. So if you get these earphones at the price that I got it, I would really recommend you to go ahead and buy it with closed eyes. And it's a quite a good deal if you get it at the price I got it. And even if it's a couple of $100 here and there, I would still recommend you going for these ones, as these are in-ear style earphones, which is good to have. It's not like some of the plastic full body ones that you get. So that is if you get something like this, I would recommend you going with this kind of design. These are great for the price, and I would really suggest you to buy these. And that's all for the video. Thank you.